So this is another COVID project. We um, we finished an old park bench. I guess it's a vintage kind of historic type or antique type. Her mom had given it to her, my wife and I, Lily. And what's unique is that this is really a project my wife and I did together. This was her design, her idea. I just did the grunt work. I wanted to help and do it and give her something nice because I knew, you know, um, she really wanted to do this, but she wasn't having it. She's like, "No, I'm in. I'm doing it." And honestly, I mean, she was doing it. She carried me across the finish line too, because let me tell you, this thing kicked my butt. Every one of these screws were rusted out. And so I ended up having to replace all the screws. They were stripped out. I had to drill them out. Um, just everything about it, nightmare, nightmare. But it's very intricate. It's got like lion skulls, or not skulls, but like um, lion manes, I guess, or it's a monkey. I can't really tell, but it's got stars. This is all cast iron, um, and yeah, we see them online restored for $600-700, and we probably ruined the value by turning it into the Rainbow Technicolor Dream Machine, but I think it's beautiful. And my wife wants a fairy garden, and my daughter is right there with her, so they wanted a rainbow park bench. So they got it. This is the other skull. I'm thinking maybe monkey. I don't know. I thought lion at first, but anybody knows, let me know. But it's got like, the vines and the stars and anyways, another COVID project. Took about 4 solid days. Breakdown, sanding, put back together. And like I said, my wife, this was her. I just normally she's like, "Oh, I want to do this," and she kind of leaves the project out for me to do, and I do it. Now she wanted in on it. She was drilling out screws and sanding and painting and putting the thing together, and going to the hardware store to get the parts. This was her. But and I really enjoy it. I enjoy doing a DIY with my wife. But yeah. Uh, it's rainbow color. I strongly recommend, for all those married couples at home and dad's a DIYer, mom, get out there with him on something, or dad, get in with mom and do a project together, because it's cool. And if you got the kids, get them on it. All right, I hope everybody's healthy and safe.